Hola mi gente bella. I'm Stephanie Miranda, your Señorita Ohio, and I'm here with another review, and I cannot wait to show you guys how I got this pretty, simple, but elegant look using the GKhair Stronghold hairspray. Let's get started. I am very excited to use this. It is very Stronghold, like I said. It also does not leave any flakes. That is the most important thing about a hairspray. So I'm going to detangle my hair a little bit. And I have very curly hair, but I've had this hair up in a bun for like 3 days. I've started school this week, so I've just been pulling it back. You do not want to see how much hair is in that brush right now. When it's a front part, I do like to brush it out like a whoop, whoop. Illusion of like perfect no sock bun. I'm gonna do section by section. It smells so good. Wow. Alright guys, to finish this look, I'm gonna finish my lips and put something a little bit better on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thanks for watching.